Namaste. Now I'm going to show you how to make the clipping marks. How to make clipping marks in Photoshop. In Photoshop, it is most important to make, especially in newspaper. Okay, let's see. First of all, you have to open one image. Here is one image. Yes, yeah. Go to File menu, click on Open, and choose any meaningful image. Yeah. Click on Open, and then click on Pen tool. Click on Pen tool and choose Path and select it. Yes. For playing the pen tool, you have to skill. You have to skill to play it. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you for playing yourself. So, first of all, you have to practice more and more. To cut the image following the pen tool. In this way, you can select it is difficult to cut. Yes, and then click right mouse, click on make selection. If you need feather, you can give feather also. Now I'm giving number one feather. Click on OK, and then go to window menu, click on channel, and follow here the channel palette. Yes, and click on here, save selection as a channel, and move the here and there, up and down the scroll bar. You can get alpha 1. Click on here, and then click on file menu, click on save as, and give a name of image. Okay, CLI clipping marks. Okay, clipping marks. You can save Photoshop format and choose a location. I'm choosing the desktop. Save, and then go to InDesign. Go to File of InDesign software. Click on New. Click on Document. Click on OK. And then you have to type any text. If you have already typed the text, you can search your computer. Yeah, here. Yeah, Microsoft Word. Double click on it. Select your text. Press Ctrl C and go to InDesign software. Press Ctrl V. Yes, press Ctrl V. Make it large. Yes, and click out of text. Go to File menu. Click on Place. Choose your image. Going to Desktop. Yeah, here it's clipping marks. Select it. Click on Open. Click on here on the text. Yes, it is very large. Make it small. Yes. Yes. And click on Object menu. Click on Fitting. Click on Fit Content Frame. Yes. And then click on Object menu. Click on Object menu. Click on Clipping Marks. Click on Clipping Path. Type None. Click on Type None drop down box. Choose Alpha Channel. And click on Preview. Preview check button. Yes. Click on OK. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus W. Ctrl plus Alt plus W for text wrap. Click on here. Yes. Look at here. We can make the beautiful page design. The image keep around the text. Okay, thank you. See you next.